Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I had quite a few questions after I did my journal page about this little thing right here, this little sticker that I made that just says tornadoes all around on this Easter Sunday, but God sheltered us from the storms. Thank you, Jesus. I had lots of questions about where I got that, if I made it, how I made it, that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you a little thing that I got in the mail. These are some of the other little stickers, and these are stickers. You just peel the backing off, and it's a sticky. Let me see. There we go. See, it's sticky. So it makes its own stickers. The pictures are a little bit granulated, but it's okay with me to go in a journal book or something like that. It's my grandson. There's my little granddaughter, lost another tooth. So you can put all kinds of little things on there. You can put little emojis on there. This is the printer, Phomemo printer. I hope I'm saying that right. I'll hold that up where you can see it. Phomemo printer. This does print in black and white. It doesn't print in color. But I want to say that you can get the stickers in different colors. I'm not sure. They did send me another roll of printer paper. So the little printer paper looks like this. One comes in the printer, and then you can get more. It's just a little round roll. It's like that. You just take that little plastic wrapping off and then put it in there. When the one that comes in the printer has the little plastic around it, and all you have to do is just open up your printer, that little thing right there, just open that up, and you take the plastic off, and then you insert it back down in there, and make sure that your paper part, not the sticker part, but the paper part is facing up. This prints with, I don't know, it's something like a laser. I don't know, it doesn't have any ink or anything in it. So let's see if it says exactly what it prints with. It gives you instructions on how to get it started, which is very, very easy. Okay, so evidently this is the color paper, and it is yellow, pink, and blue, and it has a light retention of up to 5 years. The white has a light retention of 7 to 10 years. Okay, so this is something like a thermo printer. It prints, I think, with heat or something. I don't know. I don't know exactly. It doesn't say on the instructions. It doesn't really say on here, but I'm thinking that it's a thermal printer. And like I said, it's very easy. It comes with its own charging cord, and I just plug this in the same place that I plug my iPhone charger in, the little end. Plug it in there and let it charge up. I've charged it when I first got it, and that's the last time I've had to charge it. This is the little off and on button. You just press that and hold it for a second or two, and then the green light will come on when it's ready to go. Now, if a red light or a different color light comes on, that means you don't have your paper in there correctly, so you can just take that out and redo. Okay, so it tells you to charge it up, put the paper in correctly, then download the app. So I have downloaded the app, and it's that little app right there. It looks just like that little mushroom. So you just open up the app when you're ready to print something. You'll notice on the app that it's got notes. You can scan. You can print images. It's got templates. We'll look at some of the templates. It's got all kinds of little templates, and that's the one that I used right there, the little Easter one. It's got this little penguin, is so cute. The cat. It's got a lot of those. You can do a to-do list. So it's got all kinds of little to-do list. You can do frames. It's got all kinds of frames that you can put around. And you can do schedules. So this is really good for anybody who does bullet journals or something like that. Or even if you just journal. I love it just for journaling. And let's see. I love that little TV. Look at that. Isn't that cute? You see your little cursor flashing in there, then all you have to do is just type. Like that. And then let's see, let's put something else down here. Let's do let's just say hello. And then we'll just print this. This is just going to be a quick print. You just hit that little print button up there, and then you tell it if you want more than one copy, you can do that. But then you just print. It tells you your printer, Mr. N M02. You select your printer, and then it's printing. There you go. Isn't that cute? You just tear it off. There's my little image. So let's go back, and we'll do let's print an image. So you just click on that, print image, and it pulls up your photos. It's in your phone. So we'll just, let's see. Let's do that one of my girls right there. Now you've got a choice down here. You can do different things. You can change the different colors of the photo, the way it looks. You can make it black and white, which we might as well because it's going to print black and white anyway. And then you can change the coloration of it. You can add a note to it if you want to. So let's just go ahead and print that. You can crop it a little bit if you want to crop something. That's my girls and their dad. That's a pretty good picture there. So just hit print, and there it comes. The first time you print it takes it just a second, but the second time it comes out really quick. So there are my girls and their dad. See, they're a little pixelated, but that's okay with me. For journaling and things like that, I don't mind that at all. So let's see what else we can do. You can scan something. Let's see. Do we have anything to scan around here? It says it would like to access my camera. And let's just do this. Let's just scan this book right here. And then all I do is just snap my picture, and it scanned it in. And then we can crop it a little bit. So I'll crop out a little of that blank space there. And then you just click that little check mark to tell it that you're ready to go with it. And that's what it will turn it into. It turns it into like a cartoon-like thing. Isn't that cute? I like that. Looks like a little cartoon. So let's see. You can do folders. You can put all this in a folder. You can clean it up if you want to. You can erase something if you have something on there that you want to erase. Just click that erase button, and you could erase, like if I wanted to take the time to go around and erase a lot of that stuff, I could. So I think that's good. Let's just print it. I'll actually use that on the inside of my journal. And there it comes. See how quick it comes out as soon as you hit that print button. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, I should have had my little thing on here straight, but that's okay. So I'll use that on the inside of my journal, just telling about when I made my journal and that kind of thing. So there are tons and tons of things that you can do with this. Like I said, it is black and white. It doesn't print in color, but you can print on colored paper. So I think it's pretty neat for the price that it is and for the size that it is. I can take this with me. You can print from the web if you want to go to Twitter, to Google, to Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, any of those places. Let's just try Facebook. Well, it wants me to log in, and I'm not going to log in right now. But anyway, you can print from any of those places. So there's lots of things that you can do with this. This is graphic. See, you know I can't stop. Graphic. Okay. Newest. Alright, so there's all kinds of graphics that you can print from in here. Let's do Magic Garden. Look at that. You can print all of these graphics. There are tons and tons of them. If you just wanted some bugs, some butterflies, some flowers. The Newest, it's got all sorts of those on here. That little cat's cute. All kinds of things. Or you can do festival. And you've got all kinds of, there's eggs for Easter. There's a church. It says Happy Easter. Let's see. Oh, I love that. I love that egg right there. Let's just print that and see what it looks like. So we're just going to print it. Oh, that did good. Look at that. That did really good. I like that. I really like that. Okay, let's go back and see what else we got. So there are festivals. Oh, look at the little girl and little boy. Those are cute. The radios. My goodness, I didn't know it had this many in here. See, I've not investigated all of these yet. Look at that. That is a ton. Oh, and it's even got your little words that you can print off, and they look like type, and you can put in your journals. It's got Christmas. And it just keeps going. All right, let's look at comics. There's some cute comics. It takes it a second to load depending on how fast your internet speed is. Right now with everybody on the internet, mine's not that fast. So it's got lots of those, and it's got basics. So there are your basics. The typewriter. There's a cup of coffee, newspaper. It's, I mean, my goodness, anything that you would want to put in your journal, you've got right here. And then, let's see, characters. So there's all kinds of characters. Those are so cute. I love those little kids. Those are really cute. Okay, and then word art. Well, that's cute. All kinds of word art, and then calendar. So you have calendars, and these are, let me look and see, January, March, April. Is this year? Yes, this is this year, 2020. So you could print off a calendar and have it to go in your journal and circle the date or something like that. Now I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't know if you can get that name, Phomemo. I don't know if you can get that name off of there or not. I think it may be on there to stay. Let's see. Well, I just saved it to my album. You can save it to your album if you want. Let's just print it and see what it looks like. That is cute. That's a nice little calendar. And then you could put it on your date and say circle the date that it is. So I would put it in my journal and circle today's date. That's pretty neat. And if you didn't want that name on there, you could always put something over it. There may be a way to erase it. I may just not have seen it yet. Let's see. You could put an emoji over it if you wanted to do that. So there's lots of emojis in here. There's animal emojis, weather, school. All right, so that is just a few of the things that this printer will do and that it has in it. So I just wanted to show you that this morning because I did have quite a few questions when I put that little sticker on there. I didn't really think that anybody noticed that much, but I had quite a few questions about it. Did I make the sticker? If I did, how I made it, that kind of thing. So I just wanted to show you this really quick this morning and let you know. Now, this company did send me this printer to do a review on, and I have played around with it for a little over a week now. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't trade it for my big printer over there. The reason being is I can print little stickers like this to go in my journals, and I don't have to size them down, print them on the regular printer, and then glue them down with something. I mean, these just, the back just peels right off and it sticks down in my journals. Or you can put it on your calendar, anything like that that you use, your bullet journals. So I really love this printer. I thank Phomemo, I hope I'm saying that correctly, thank them for sending me this printer to do the review on. And I think I will have a discount code for you down below for 10% off if you want to check this company out and grab you one of these printers. I know they're very, very popular. I've seen them all around on YouTube and Instagram. I have seen them on Amazon lots of times. So I've seen other people that have had these, so that their reviews are fantastic. I think they have a 5-star review. So anyway, that was what I wanted to tell you this morning real quick, just because I had so many questions on that when I put that little sticker down. So I will let you guys go. The links will be below for any of this product that you might want to check out. And we will talk to you guys later on. We're going to try to do some more videos today. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.